Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2012 Acura TSX Sport Wagon. There are access panels in the rear of the glove box to reach the cabin air filter. These panels are easy to remove and only require you to push a few tabs to pry them off. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will make it easy to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. The transmission fluid level is easy to check as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Connecting the Bluetooth can be difficult as you will have to use voice prompts. The steps you need to follow can be hard to understand. To change the front wiper blade, you will need to use a tool. Other models do not require the use of tools to change your wiper blades. You will have to remove a panel from under the vehicle for access to the fog light. This will require tools that may not be readily available for repair. Overall, the 2012 Acura TSX Sport Wagon is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain and a good choice for the experienced vehicle owner.